What's going on, Moto fam? Today we're heading to my first bike event. Should be pretty big, maybe over 20 bikes or so. We'll see. They got road guards and everything, and we're just gonna take a nice little ride, about an hour ride up to Sierra Vista. And I didn't upload a video last week. I caught a stomach bug and just didn't have any energy to start editing videos, so hopefully this video will catch some entertaining things and we'll get to see some nice bikes at least. But otherwise, I'm gonna cue the music and we're gonna head to our location. But I probably should ask you guys, do you enjoy music in the videos? I kind of like to do the cinematic thing where we just, you know, music sets the mood a little bit. But you guys let me know, do you like music or just a raw audio ride of the sound of the motorcycle? Let me know in the comments below. I'm just here to entertain you guys and do what I love, riding motorcycles. Good morning.
All right, so we made it to the meetup and we're just gonna go through a brief and see what's gonna happen and which groups we're gonna be in. But after that, we're just gonna go for a nice easy ride over to the park. Okay, so we got our group of 7 and we're gonna ride out. But as you guys can see, I think there's like 50 bikes out here. But this is going to be a massive group ride and should be a lot of fun. Obviously, we're not going to get too crazy today. It'll be a nice easy ride going over to this area. Unfortunately, guys, I couldn't finish the video. We were just riding down this road here, and shortly after this I cut the video off, but maybe like 10 minutes ahead, we've already been an hour into the ride. I high-sided on the bike and I unfortunately wasn't filming, but I hit some gravel and went over, but I'm good. The bike's good. On my next video, I will share my thoughts on it and what happened. I'm just gonna recover and you'll see me in the next video. And once again, guys, ride safe out there. I'll see you next time.